Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back again to your favorite vegetarian channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for always returning to watch our beautiful videos and for sharing to friends and family. I trust everyone is in good shape because I'm back with something delicious, yummy, healthy as always. And today we are cooking garden egg stew. Let's get started already. The ingredients are tomatoes, green bell pepper, vegan stock powder, mushrooms, some salt, veg spices or herbs, onions, ginger, garlic, wagashi or cheese curd, green habanero peppers, cooking oil, and star ingredient garden eggs. I start off by boiling my garden eggs and green habanero peppers. I'm doing this on a medium-low heat. So I cover it and let it cook. After about 3 to 5 minutes, I check if it's cooked properly, but no, so I cover it and give it some extra time to cook. Then I move straight to prepping my onions. I go ahead to cut it up and I chop my garlic. Right after prepping my ginger, onion, garlic, I put it in a blender, add just a little bit of water and set it to blend. Then at this point, my garden eggs and green habanero peppers is totally cooked. So I take it off fire, drain the water and set it to cool off. Into a frying pot, I add my vegetable oil, leave it to heat up and move straight to prepping my onions. I chop my onions beautifully, added it to the oil and leave it to fry or saute a little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead to chop my cheese curd or wagashi into fine shape and sizes. Right after doing that, I added it to the oil, and at this point the onion is going to release its flavor and juices, so the wagashi is going to have all the nice flavor from the onion. I move straight to prepping my tomatoes as well. I chopped it and set aside. Then I move straight to prepping my green bell pepper. I also deseeded it and chop it up into nice shapes. I go in to check on my frying cheese curd and it has this nice aroma, so I go in with my blended ingredients, that's the onion, ginger and garlic. I give it a good mix and then I cover it and let it cook some extra more. Now to the garden eggs. This is how I personally like to do it sometimes. I deseed it, put the seeds in a different plate. As there are different ways and methods of cooking, I like to incorporate this method, and by so doing I have a smooth paste and no seeds or chaff in my stew at all. I repeat the process until I have it all done. Seeds on one side and the actual seedless garden egg on the other side. Now I check up on my stew and then I like to go in with the tomatoes at this point. So I added the tomatoes and give it a good mix. Cover it up on a medium-low heat to continue the cooking process. Then going to blending my garden egg. First, I add the seeded one into the blender, add just a little bit of water and set it to blend. I get back to check on my stew. I go in with the mushrooms, add my mixed veg spices, give it a good mix, and I cover it. At this point, my kitchen smells so good. I pour my blended garden egg in a bowl and then I set it aside. Then I go in with the other half, which is the non-seeded one, and blended it to perfection. Then I added it to my stew and added the blended seeds as well. And there you have it. This is exactly how I want it to be. So I give it a good mix, cover it up, and let it finish up the cooking process. After about 5 minutes, I check on my stew and it's boiling. So I go in with my green bell pepper, give it a good mix, and then turn down the heat. I want it to take its time to cook beautifully. So I covered it up and then moved straight to prepping the side of my choice. After about 10 minutes, I get back and just look at that. My stew is cooked to perfection. Menchura Froena Binyo, a Kama Papa. So guys, there you have it. Your garden egg stew is ready. And I decided to pair it with boiled yam and some boiled potatoes. And you know me, as always, I go extra by adding avocados. And trust me if I tell you I totally enjoyed this meal. It tasted so good. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. If you totally enjoyed it, do want to give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Do want to share this video with your friends, family and loved ones. Guys, let me know if you're going to be trying this meal. In fact, you have to try the review in the comment section. Let's get interactive there and share ideas. Until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive, remain blessed. Bye guys.